Is that good? Is it cold, Mike?
Yeah, nice and cold.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on two main powers. We have our fuel pump on. We got our light on. And we're just going to give it a little squirt of gas and that's it. We had great oil pressure up to 80 pounds. Started right up. Hadn't been started in about a week, so that was good. Everything seems to be fine. We're going to take it out and take a little drive in the parking lot. The weather's been pretty bad here, and we've got a lot of salt in the streets, so we're not going to take it out on the street and get salt on it. There's residue out there, so we'll just take a little ride in the parking lot and see what you think.